This video will go over how to check and maintain a battery. First, wear proper PPE such as eye protection when working with batteries. Inspect the battery for any damage or corrosion. If corrosion is present, use a battery terminal cleaner and/or a baking soda and water mix. When using the baking soda and water mix, make sure the cell covers are on, as if the mixture gets into the battery, it will damage the cells. Next, test the battery by using a multimeter set to measure DC voltage, then attaching the probes to the battery's terminals. A battery found below 12.4 volts must be charged to 100% per the battery charger's recommendation. The following table can be used to identify the approximate amount of time required to charge a discharged battery. Never attempt to charge a frozen battery. If an AGM battery is fully discharged and is not accepting a charge, do the following procedure. Connect the AGM battery to a charged standard lead-acid battery. Connect the lead-acid battery to a charger for approximately 1 hour. If the battery is not warm, stop charging and replace the battery. If the battery is warm, it means it is taking a charge. Wait for the AGM battery to reach 10.5 volts, then disconnect the charger from the lead-acid battery, then the AGM battery from the lead-acid battery. Finish charging the AGM battery by connecting it to an AGM-type battery charger. When storing batteries, make sure they are under a roof, off the floor or ground, in a cool, dry, well-ventilated area. Make sure they are separated from incompatible materials and from activities that may create flames, sparks, or heat. Make sure to always store batteries fully charged, as this allows for some self-discharge and prolongs battery life.